Hi, I'm Kim Cooper, the owner of Creative Cake Concepts, and today I'd like to talk to you about a new product that's been put out by Satin Ice. My friends at CakeSuppliesOnSale.com gave me a new product that Satin Ice has come out with called Buttercream Icing Mix. Now, this is a little different from other icing mixes that you may have used in the past. It's not just the dry ingredients. With this, it is actually kind of a dough, and all you do to this is add butter and some water. So this container is a 2-pound container. It has directions on the top for the different consistencies of icings that you might want. You have a firm, a softer, or an extra buttery consistency. So with this, you'll notice that when you open up the lid, it comes in a bag just like your Satin Ice fondant does. And you open this up, you're going to notice a very white dough, and you can kind of see how soft this is. This is the easiest thing to do. All you're going to do is remove it, put it inside of your mixing bowl, and I really suggest using a stand mixer. It's just going to be a lot easier. But if you don't have a stand mixer, you can certainly do it with a handheld mixer. So you put in the base mix. For a firm consistency, it calls for 2 ounces of butter, softened. So we're going to add that. And then it also calls for 1.5 tablespoons of water, which I already have measured out here. So I'm going to add that to the mixture. We're going to put this in onto the stand mixer. Using your wire attachment, push this down in and attach. Easier said than done. All right, so we've got that. Now all you're going to do is raise up the bowl, and you're going to run this on medium speed just to get it to pull together, and then you can go ahead and put it on high speed. I recommend that after it's mixed for a couple of minutes that you use a scraper to scrape down the bowl, make sure that it's all back into the middle, and mix it again. And we'll come back in a minute and I'll show you what kind of a consistency it has. All right, this has just come together, but what I want to do is pull down those sides into the middle, make sure that we've incorporated that amount of butter that we put in the beginning. So I'm going to scrape down the sides, move that whisk off out of the way, put it all in the middle. And then we're going to pop this back into the mixer. Okay, and that is all you need to do. You're going to notice I did this so that it was that firm texture, and you can see that it will hold a stiff peak. So depending on how you want to use this, if you want to use it for piping, intricate designs, it will really stand up. If you want this softer for just icing a birthday cake, putting it in between layers of a cake, then just follow the directions on how you can make it a little softer, you can make it a little more buttery. So the other thing that's really nice about this is that it is a very crisp white. It does take gel color very nicely, and it also crusts very well. So it is perfect choice for piped flowers and designs, as well as layering it underneath fondant. You should give it a try. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.